Yo, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Ty. Check it out. I'm about to pull up on a homie real quick. You feel me? I got Nia and I got Queen with me. So you guys probably seen her with us. What was that? When the last time we linked up with Ray?
2 years ago.
Like 2 years ago. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, you guys check that out, man. About to go pull up on bro. Put him on his Forex shit. A lot of people been. Well, really, he hit me up and was like, "Yo, bro, I see a lot of people in LA talk about this Forex shit, but he didn't get on it because he was like, I mean, you got to think like, bro, come from, you know, what it is. So he's like, hey, it just don't look like it is what they say it is. So bro reached out to me, man, and I'm about to pull up on bro right now and put him on game, put him on deck. So I'm give you some of these Forex skills and shit. I got Queen right there. I don't know what she doing back there. She back there. What's she doing? Chilling?
I'm about to go to sleep.
No, go to sleep. Good. But shit, just in LA. Well, going to LA. Shit, we down there. It's more like, yeah, we shit.
Compton.
110 Compton. You know what I'm saying? So like LA, about to be LA bound in a minute. Big. What's that? Easy call. But yeah, so shit, man. It's your boy Ty. Just, you know what I'm saying? Follow along and shit. Y'all gonna get this day in the life. You like, why bro be riding with the hoodie? Sometimes I be riding with the hoodie because people stay taking pictures. So I got my hoodie up really because like 4 people just pulled up on the side of me taking pictures. You feel me? So that's why I got my hoodie up. But
Got his hoodie up because shit, 2 people noticed us already. And we were just in the damn parking lot.
you feel me? But shit, man. So it is what it is though. But I'm about to pull up on Ray real quick, and we're gonna see y'all in a minute though. So what's the deal? So I mean, you already know what it is. I told you I was about to go get this nigga Ray. You feel me? I got bro on the app. I got bro on the MetaTrader. I got bro on the Forex wave, bro. Yeah, like Tyler, you won't do it. I was gonna do it. You know I was gonna do it. So bro said he had a lot of questions for me. So yo, Ray.
Many questions.
Shit, ask them shits, man.
All right. First of all, just explain.
Explain
to me the idea and the process of it.
Okay. So when I be explaining Forex, if people was to ask me like, what is it? I always tell them, well, we're buying currencies at lightning speed. All right, so we're buying currencies at the speed of light. A lot of people, they're like, oh, well, what exactly is the foreign exchange? So when you go to another country, let's say you take US dollars and you want to go to Canada, you have to go through the foreign exchange anyway. Every time you want to spend your money, you could come with American, but what would you rather spend? Canadian.
Yeah.
So in a sense,
I have to do that when I went overseas.
yeah, so in a sense, when you change in your American dollar, they're going to give you back like 131 Canadian or whatever the price is Canadian. So that's the foreign exchange. So all we're doing, let's say the price is 129, right? And that's the current going rate. So all we're doing is making money on those rates. So let's say the price goes from 139 or I'll use 129 to 131. In Forex, that's 200 pips or a 200 pip move on that exchange rate. So we will make money if, let's say we were buying, we were like, oh man, we think the rate is gonna rise. So how you would do that is you would look at your charts and it's like playing the game. So I got him looking at his charts right now. So you look at his charts and it's like playing the game. So in a sense, I tell people too, it's like surfing. All right, so as the market is moving up and down, you know it moves in waves. It goes up and down.
Yeah.
All right. So what would a surfer do? Like kind of how I was explaining to you on the phone.
Yeah.
You feel me? What would a surfer do when
a wave comes here?
When the waves, you catch that wave.
Yeah,
so
ride it. Yeah.
so when the wave comes through and it's going up, you're making money on that whole wave.
Yeah,
so depending on the type of position you have in the market will be the type of money that you'll be making. So let's say I gave you a 200 pip move. Let's say we're using a 1 lot just for that current, that type of index. Now each exchange is different. You got oil, you got indexes. So oil is like a commodity, you know what I'm saying? But we're using currencies for this example. So on this charts, bro got the currencies up and shit. I'll give them the brokers and all that. But on the charts, basically like that 200 pip move will give you $2,000. So let's say you had a 1 lot in, it moved up 200 pips, so the price changed from 129 to 131, then you would make $2,000 off that move. Now let's say it did that in 4 hours. So you would have made that $2,000 in 4 hours.
4 hours, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So that's how the game works.
Okay.
Hell yeah.
So what happens if it decreases?
So I mean, now you could buy it or sell it. So if you feel like the price is gonna go up, or you feel like that wave is gonna go up, then you just buy the wave to that direction. You're like, oh shit, the market's gonna break. So I'm gonna
you just invest more into it.
Well, you can invest more, or you could just, shit. Well, I like that idea, bro. Hey, bro, thinking like Warren Buffett. He said, nigga, if this the good move, I'm about to make my money. I feel you. Or you can scale your account. You know what I'm saying? And just continuously do the same action over and over and over again until you get to that point.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. So I got, like I said, we out here, man. Just sit on top of the roads. I'm about to blow down real quick. Target parking lot and shit. Had to get some fucking groceries and shit. I got where Nee at? She in there chilling and shit. Y'all see her? You feel me? So we just out, man.
I like the concept.
You fuck with it?
Like the concept, yeah.
All right, but tell him the real. So I asked bro, no cap. I was like, bro, cause when I told him about it, I'm like, bro, let me put you on this shit, bro. He was like, man, well, I ain't even gonna say it.
Bro,
Here, you take the camera and tell him.
I'm take this shit, man.
Cause you know I'm about to spark, man. So,
Yeah, look,
what's the deal?
I'm gonna keep it 100.
Keep it a fucking
I see
100.
everybody on social media doing this shit,
Okay.
and I'm just like, I see it, but I'm not quite
So-
sure. I'm not quite sure
Tell him
if
the
it's
truth.
if it's legitimate or not, because I'm seeing certain people, you know, I made $5,000 today and so on and so forth, but then the lifestyle isn't living up to
what
what you're saying you're making a day or a week. So that's why I was just kind of just
Skeptical.
unsure or skeptical about it.
Hey, bro, trying to sugarcoat it for y'all. Y'all know I don't sugarcoat. He being nice.
I'm being
This
nice.
nigga's not nice.
I'm being nice.
Be blunt. Be
Look.
you. You feel me? Be
And
you.
then also I'm gonna come clean too. It's just like when you're uneducated about something,
Yeah.
you're just not gonna jump into something
until
quick.
you actually
anyway.
know like what it is.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
I feel that.
And I've been so focused on my own shit and, you know, music and design and just so much other shit.
Yeah.
I never really had the time to just
To
like
really focus
indulge
on-
in it and just trying to like understand it.
Yeah.
But you've always been
Speaking-
around, so I knew eventually, you know what I mean?
That
Like,
was on God. But and speaking of music, I know we not gonna really be able to tour until 2021. But I believe you were working on something. I ain't gonna bring too much up.
nah, yeah.
you feel me?
I'm working on a project right now
Okay.
that was gonna try to tour this summer.
Okay. Who
But
are you supposed to tour with again?
It was gonna be me and a few artists that I just believe in type shit.
Okay. Okay.
Also, you know, we had to talk about reunion and shit like that.
Cause they gonna ask, bro.
Yeah.
I ain't trying to get them.
Yeah,
but,
we ain't
you know.
gonna give y'all too much. That was a thought. It was an idea. But yeah, no. But honestly, like, I'm glad I'm learning about this shit.
Yeah.
Seriously, like, I think it's important. Like, 'cause, all right, so and we were just talking about this too. Like,
What's up?
not just being young, but like being young black men.
Facts.
We have to figure out how to take our current dollar, invest it, multiply, manipulate, manage. The
Facts.
3 fucking M's. You know what I mean? Like,
Y'all write that shit down too.
people don't understand. Like,
Yeah.
it's easy to get a bag and blow it,
Okay.
because life, and I tweeted about this before. Life is all about comfortability. That's all we want
Break
to
that
be.
shit down.
So,
I'm
like-
about to get y'all.
So look, growing up in the hood,
Yeah.
we can go and get a $5 pro club
On God.
and be fresh.
And be fresh. On God.
Right?
Yeah.
But then, why am I gonna buy a $5 pro club when I can get the $12, $17 white tee from Zara? It's more comfortable. It's gonna last longer when I wash it. You get what I'm saying? And that's
I get
just a
what you
minor example.
I get what you saying.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
Bro, talk
just-
about scaling your shit up.
yeah, because your lifestyle is gonna change. Now you want the better car.
Especially with the bread.
Exactly.
Oh, God.
Now you want the better car, but that better car comes with bigger maintenance and greater gas.
Yeah. Yeah.
So people think like, damn, when I get the bag, I'm on. You're not. You got to get the bag, and once again, manage,
Yeah.
manipulate, multiply.
The
Like
3 M's.
the 3 fucking M's every time. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? Manage your bread is saving it. You know,
That-
show love to yourself. You could buy, you know, your little designer, your shit like that.
Yeah.
That's managing, but also knowing how to save, what money need to go towards, what's important. So that's managing.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Manipulating that's the investing. Going into these systems, figuring out how you're going to play the game, how
Yeah.
you said earlier.
On God
It's
with
like a
the,
game.
Should I give him the Monopoly example? I ain't
Yeah,
trying to
yeah,
take
go
away
ahead,
from
go
your
ahead.
train of
No,
thought.
no, go
Okay,
ahead.
all right. So I'm gonna give y'all the Monopoly example. So he's like, damn, Ty, y'all going in, and we are. You feel me? So check this out. So I was breaking down before we was riding to the target. I'm like, yo, bro, life is like Monopoly. So bro's like, he was like, Ty, what the fuck you talking about? Like, what you mean? I'm like, so break it down. I said, so in the game of Monopoly, check it out. So you got the person who made the game. That's the first person. They'll always be the biggest because they own the fucking game.
Yeah.
And then you got the Fed or the bank.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? And then you like, well, see, in Monopoly, in the game, the bank is the most powerful piece in the entire game. They distribute the houses, they distribute the pawns.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? It's the way that you play the game. So
Also
you
the banker.
or also exactly like bro said, also the banker.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So it's like, so you got to think of it like this. So if those are 2 core pieces, the next piece to that are real estate agents because they sell the property, or the banks sell the property to the real estate agents, and then the agents go ahead and fill them up, and then they make their money. You know what I'm saying? So those are 3 tiers to Monopoly.
You got the home. homes, you got the apartments, you got the whole little shit.
Hell yeah.
And then last is the customer, and that's what you don't want to be. You do not want to
There
be
you
the
go.
fucking customer.
There you go.
I'm telling you right now, you don't want to be the customer. So okay, so then that being said, the monopoly effect. So yeah. So
Don't break that shit down.
yeah, investing and realizing how you're going to puppeteer this new platform.
Okay.
Whether it's stocks or whatever you decide to invest in, or whatever you believe in, your dreams, your creative abilities, everything. Because I'm doing the music industry like that. You get what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
Then so we did the manage, we did the we say manipulate.
Manage, manipulate, and now the third M. I had to get knee phone real quick because my shit died. You feel me? But on God. So you was on the last M.
Yeah, multiply.
All right, so kick that.
now,
kick that. I'm about to spark my bruggy at our game.
Yeah, hell yeah. So multiply. After you've managed, you've learned how to save.
Okay.
You've learned how to take care. Then you manipulate.
Hey, you learn. Not to cut you off, I was gonna say y'all get some real game. Y'all get some real game. So you better fucking take note. You feel me? Kick that.
After you manipulate, that's investing. Realizing how you're gonna puppeteer your desire, your platform, your investment. Last is multiply. Now multiplying is taking what you've done so far, and now placing it in different holes. You're like a fucking guinea pig, you know what I mean? Like,
yep.
You need different homes, you need different places, you need different areas, because you never want your money to be all in one entity.
I fuck with that.
Because if that one entity crash, you crash. You get what I'm saying? It's almost like I be thinking about it like let's say like YouTube families.
Okay.
Sometimes that's all they have is the family page, but they have no other creative ability.
I feel you.
And now, whatever, hope this doesn't happen, but let's say YouTube was to crash one day.
Oh God, and then that's
their
everybody's
finances
income.
will completely stop.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I feel that.
Because they didn't have music, they didn't have merchandise, they didn't have, you know what I mean?
Some people do like education and stuff, whatever
whatever it is.
You know what I'm saying?
But now you know what I mean? It was almost like, remember when Vine shut down?
Bro, I remember.
These Vine kids, it was like,
yeah,
fuck Instagram.
Vine really did shut down.
Yeah, it was like, fuck Instagram, fuck Facebook, we only Vine. And then when Vine crashed and it went down, they had to restart all over on Instagram and try to rebuild a following, and some of them never made it back on top.
Oh God.
Because people were just, it was like, fuck it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And that's just like a perfect example. So you need to know how to multiply and just have your pocket everywhere, but in smart places.
Oh God.
3 M's.
Really, the 3 M's. So that's
fucking
shit.
M's.
We gave y'all the game, man. We gave y'all what it is. So you either gonna pick up this shit or you not. It ain't no
drop.
You feel me? It ain't no way around it. You know what I'm saying? And shit. That's
Yeah.
what it is, nigga.
Yeah.